what should we talk about today? There's a real importance in self-care when you're a welder, because if you don't have good hygiene or care for yourself, you're going to get infections and you're going to get hurt, you're going to get sick. Hygiene is very important as a welder. You're going to get dirty throughout the day and you're going to get cuts and you're going to get hurt. But you need to have a good hygiene. It's important to take care of yourself, because not everybody is going to take care of you, you know? You might have people in your life say they care about you, but you know the truth. You got people that pretend to or try too hard, too much, you know. At the end of the day, the only person that's going to take care of yourself is yourself. And I know that's not always the best thing, but you need to, because no one's going to look after you as much as they should. You need to look after yourself. So hang in there, stay positive, and, you know, bye-bye.